न्हंयांचें राष्ट्रीयकरण हें फक्त गोंयांतूच जायना तर तें सबंद देशभरांत जाता. मात गोंयांत जशे ह्या संदर्भांत प्रश्न उप्रासतात तशे देशांत खंयच उप्रासिल्ले ना. जर कोणाक हातूंत बेकायदेशीरपणां खटकता तर तांच्यांनी कोर्टा कडेन अपील करचें म्हण मुखेलमंत्री पर्रीकार उलयला. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीज.
Gets corrected, but feedback system बरी जातली जाल्यार सेशन
focus will be on constructive politics rather than politics for the sake of politics.
always constructive politics. हांव कोणाय बरोबर बसपाक तयार आहा. They should sit. There is no reason for someone to demonstrate, to stand. They can write, but reasonable time has to be given to the government. First of all, you should be ready to understand the nuance of the problem. आता उदाहरण river विशा. ह्या riveran it is a parliament's power. How can a state government reverse the power of parliament? There is no way. The only way is to ask your MPs to move if you feel so strong. First of all, इतले strongly feel जावपाची कांयच गरज ना. 111 नदयो आसा आनी बाकीच्या राज्यांनी खंयच कसलोच प्रश्न येवंक ना. हो एक. दुसरो विशय आतां तातूंत लिगॅलिटी आहा, इलिगॅलिटी आहा. मागीर ताका सोल्युशन हांव न्हय, ताका सोल्युशन कोर्ट. हांव तें तिरकीन सांगिना. I cannot decide whether it is legal or illegal. Legal or illegality of a law has to be decided by different courts. आता IPB चेर हांगा लोक वचून ना. When we examine, we realize that IPB invariantly, not purposefully, without understanding section 8, has crossed the limit. आमी एडवायस घेतलो लीगल. तांच्यांनी आमकां हें सांगलें कितें की ह्यो एरिया सेक्शन 8 आसा पळय, CRZ अदर दॅन शोर फॅसिलिटी cannot be dealt by IPB. हाजो अर्थ आमी रिजेक्ट करूं ना. The IPB does not have powers, so they have withdrawn the in principle. But the files will go to the government now, and government on case-to-case basis will have to take decision on them. म्हणजे म्हज्या कार्यक्षेत्रातली गजालूच ना जाल्यार हांव कशी करूंक शकता. तातूंत म्हाका इन्सल्ट कांयच दिसूं ना. द मॅटर इज बिफोर द कोर्ट. वी विल फायल एफिडेविट बिफोर द कोर्ट that all power, all NOC in principle clearances have been withdrawn. In most of the time, except the virus petition, the rest of the petitions are gone. Because better लॉस दिसपाक की कित्याक एखादी गजाल चुकून जाली हेतून आशिल्लो कोणाचो ती करेक्ट करून घेतली आमी, रेटिफायड केली. तातूंत आमी कॅन्सलूय करूं ना कोणाचे. दोज केसीस वील नाव मूव टू द गव्हर्मेंट फॉर डिसिजन बिकॉज दॅट पॉवर डज नॉट एक्झिस्ट वीथ IPB. बट IPB वील रिमेन अ सिंगल विंडो फॉर एप्लिकेशन. सो यू अप्लाय टू IPB. They will classify it into two categories. One, area which they can decide, and where area they cannot decide. Area they cannot decide, they will analyze, prepare a report using the consultant. We have got consultant on board.
Time frame असतली का?
अरे म्हणजे महिन्या ते 2 महिन्या भितर normally 60 days, maximum 90 days. ते करून they will send a report to the government for decision. Report will be prepared by the same consultant because we have already got consultant on board. We are paying, so why separate consultant has to be brought? Same consultant will do the job, prepare a report, and that report, without any recommendation, IPB will only act as a postman.